Hey YouTube community, I'm super excited to present this a pizza order handler. This pizza handler is leveraging 11 Labs make.com flows to take the incoming call, identify if the customer exists, and create a new customer if it doesn't exist, and accept the orders. So there are a few things that the agent would be smartly handling. The agent would first see if the caller is an existing customer and it can repeat the order, and if the customer does not exist, the agent would go ahead and create a new customer and accept the order. It would always run down the menu with the agent and ask him some questions for upselling before it accepts the order. So once the agent goes to the menu, it'll go ahead and it'll create a top level order. This is an Excel sheet. Like, this Excel sheet can be replaced with any of your order handling systems. So for this case of simplicity, I'm using Excel sheets here. The Excel sheet would create one line item for the order, and it will automatically get the number of items, and it will automatically get the number of items in the order and keep the total accordingly. So in the next sheet, I have like order line items. In this case, I have 3 items in the order, and it will just take them and calculate and give me order total. All right, so let's go ahead and fire up the agent and see how the agent handles my request for a pizza. Okay, so let's initiate the call and take it on.
Hi there, you've reached Pizza Store on Thomas Street. Ready to place your pickup order?
Yeah, sure.
Great. Would you like to repeat your last order, or would you like to hear our menu?
Like to repeat
No problem.
my last order.
Okay, can I get your phone number, please?
It's 1-555-9012-000.
Daniel Garcia. Great to have you back. Would you like to repeat your last order?
No, I'd like to place a fresh order, please.
No problem at all. Let me grab our menu for you. All right, Daniel, what kind of pizza are you in the mood for today?
What do you have?
We have margarita, pepperoni, cheese, veggie, meat lovers, BBQ chicken, Hawaiian, white pizza, Supreme Deluxe, and Diavolo pizzas.
I'd like to have 2 pepperoni pizzas, medium size.
Okay, 2 medium pepperoni pizzas. Would you like any sides with that? We have garlic bread, cheesy breadsticks, chicken wings, and side salad.
Give me 2 garlic bread.
Sure, 2 garlic bread. Would you like any drinks or desserts with your order?
What drinks do you have?
We have cola, lemonade, and bottled water.
Okay, give me 2 lemonades.
Got it. 2 medium pepperoni pizzas, 2 garlic bread, and 2 lemonades. Is there anything else I can get for you?
I think I'm good with that.
Perfect. Your order's in. It'll be ready for pickup at our Thomas Street store in about 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Thanks for choosing Pizza Brand. We'll see you soon at Thomas Street.
So as you can see that, it was smart enough to first identify me. I picked this number, so it was addressing me with the name, and then it ran down the menu, and it was upselling. It first initially sold me the pizza, and then it asked for any sides to go with it, followed up with the drink, and it could have gone on for dessert and add-ons, but I was like kind of reluctant to add more. So it went ahead and created a line item first, that okay, this is your order, order number 2031. It just incremented it, and initial items were clean. But then, like, after creating the order, it went ahead and added a pepperoni pizza, that's a medium size, 2 of them, and I've asked for 2 garlic breads, that's 4.99, and a lemonade, that's 1.99. So this is the line item total, and it is calculated here. So these are like Google Sheet functions, but the point here is that it first created the order and it added the line items to it. So it was gracefully looking at the customer information, pulling up the orders, existing orders if required, In this case we didn't do it, but you can always do that. For those customers who wants to repeat their order, they don't have to go through this choice. But the more complex scenarios are like people want to repeat some stuff. The more complex scenarios are like people want different orders. This is what we went through this demo. So if you, all right, so this particular order handling can be done for a pizza store or any kind of restaurant, any cuisine that you serve, or anything that you have in the menu, right? It can look into the menu. The idea here is to that empower the conversational agents with your product catalog. You can be from any industry, like food and beverage industry, to fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG industry, or to that matter, any shop that sells a line of products. So your smart voice agent can go through your list of customers, identify your customers, and talk to them in a more friendly manner. It can pull up their orders and repeat if required, or it can go through your line of products, menus, or any item, and it will start accepting orders for you. So you don't have to miss an incoming call because you're doing some other work. So this agents can handle from A to Z on your order management. All right, if you feel this excites you and you look forward to deliver the smart agents, feel free to reach out in this link, and I would be more than happy to look into your case and get your bot deployed in the shortest time frame possible. Cheers.